how to buy AI16Z token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description box. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Go and find it there. Now what you need to do here, just copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Base network. Open your wallet, for example, Bitget wallet, I will use it. Now here, select the Base as a network. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address as you can see. Now in the first time, you will see this plus icon. Now click on it to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added with name AI16Z. So as you can see, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC. But make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet, and here type how much you want to buy. As you can see, you will see here how much you receive of that token. Now what you need to do, just click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy AI16Z. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.